Hey everyone! Today, Chloe and I are talking about course launches, and a big struggle can be attracting the right students.
Tell me about it. My landing page feels
Meh.
and my lead magnet isn't generating much interest.
Don't worry, Chloe. I just got this email from the Hataraki Guy Challenge, from crickets to cheers. And it focuses on polishing your landing page and lead magnet to attract ideal students.
Polish? Maybe mine needs a total makeover.
Not necessarily. This email says we can refine our messaging to resonate with our dream audience. The right message can make all the difference.
Attracting the right students sounds good. Less crickets, more engaged students.
Exactly. This email series might be the key to a successful launch. Let's dive in and see what polishing tips they offer.